Hello everybody, and welcome to Engineering Sustainable Liberty. Today I would like to talk about Twitter. There are 5 main things I think that one should focus on. You want to identify a handful of creators that you would like to emulate, that are in your niche, that are of a similar topic, and that you can engage with. You will model yourself after these creators, but also leverage their audience to reach a wider array of people over time. Once you've identified the ideal creators in step 1, the cool thing about finding these ideal creators is that you can leverage their audience, which is much larger than yours, to get your thoughts out there. And this is really important, especially at the beginning when you have 0 followers, 5 followers, 20 followers, and you're getting 0 views on your contents and post. So this is how you start engaging, and this is important because people will see your content and your message will spread. The next step, which is arguably even more important, is number 3. There are other people on the same journey as you, and they have chosen the same ideal creators as you, or similar, a lot of overlap. You want to respond to those people and make them part of your tribe. Become friends with them. So you're going to start engaging with them. You can do that via likes, commenting on their replies to your ideal creator, or going into their profile and liking a few of their posts. Ideally, this happens organically. Sometimes you will want to systemize the process though. When I am all drained after a long day, but I'm still working on my Twitter engagement to wrap up the last tasks and keep the consistency going, I will sometimes just go into the replies, like most of them. That already puts your picture on the radar and the notifications. Then I will comment on the top 5 when I have something of value to add. That usually is even a better way to get noticed by the people. In that, the final way to engage with these people in the replies of your ideal creator is to go into their profile and like some of their posts. This way you will pop up in their notification, not once, not twice, but maybe even 3 times. They will start recognizing your picture. If you do that a few times in a row, people will start putting a name to your picture. And then, since you're strengthening the relationship, the engagement on the algorithm, they might get back to you with likes. And when you pop up on their timeline, due to that existing relationship, they might even engage you further with you. It is a game of giving energy and receiving energy. You must be able to receive well, but also to give well. You must be able to give well, but also receive well. The 4th point, you want to post consistently. You want to keep people engaged, but you also want to engage consistently, as mentioned in point number 3. When engaging with followers of your ideal creators, you want them to notice your picture, your name, your brand frequently and build trust with them over time. After a few of those iterations, some of them will start following you, and that's how you start growing. They will return the favor of engagement. With regards to posting, you just want to keep your followers engaged, and ideally you tell a story with your posts. I'm still refining that process. Finally, when you're posting consistently and have a few followers, people will start engaging and replying to you. You want to do that to build relationships, and you want to do that for the algorithm. Building relationships means that the person that engaged with you is more likely to engage with you again if they had a pleasant interaction from having commented on your post. And algorithmically, the algorithm rewards engaging back to people within 6 hours of them having first engaged with you. So if somebody replies, you should reply within 6 hours, and the algorithm will notice you as a active and flourishing member of the ecosystem and reward that. Naturally, I still have a lot to learn, and I'm only at 200 followers. So this is for very early stages. There's a lot of things I have to refine, and I know the strategy changes when you're at 0, 100, 50, 1,000, 10,000 followers. So we'll be adapting. But the thing I would like to refine going forward is DMs. People swear on DMs for building audience and engagement. I still have to figure out how to do that effectively. If you have any tips, let me know. All right, thank you for tuning in. See you next week.